Sheikh, my question is though that if one has memorized the Quran and then he forgets, so is it him? Jazakallah.
Wajazakum. So this is a frequently asked question. People who memorize the Quran and they forget it. Is this sinful? The answer is no. Because Allah says, رَبَّنَا لَا تُؤَاخِذْنَا إِن نَسِينَا أَوْ أَخْطَأْنَا. Oh Allah, don't burden us if we were to forget or to make an error. Forgetfulness is a human nature. But forgetfulness that one is punished for is when you know the ruling and you don't abide by it. This is what people would be punished over on the Day of Judgment. كَذَلِكَ أَتَتْكَ آيَاتُنَا فَنَسِيتَهَا. Our signs came to you and you forgot it, meaning you neglected it. You did not implement it. So you know that Allah cursed those who deal in usury or interest in riba. And He waged war against them, as mentioned in chapter 2. Yet you still do it. This is neglecting and forgetting the verses. You will be punished for that. But if someone memorized it by heart and forgot it and cannot remember it, but he's not dealing in riba, there is nothing sinful on his side, inshaAllah.